little bunnies, today we are going to learn about what? How we use this and that. This and that. This make that අරක. This කියන්නේ ළඟ තියෙන එකක් අපි කියනවා මේක කියලා. That කියන්නේ ඈත තියෙන එකක් අරක කියලා. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. What is this? What is this?
This is a book. This is a book.
What is this? What is this?
This is a mirror. This is a mirror.
What is this? What is this?
This is a pen. This is a pen.
Yes. What is this? මේක මොකද්ද? This is a book. මේක පොතක්. What is this? This is a mirror. මේක කණ්ණාඩියක්. What is this? මේක මොකද්ද? මේක පෑනක්. ළඟ තියෙන ඒවට කියන්නේ පුතේ this කියලා. Okay, my little bunnies, right? Let's see. What is that? What is that?
That is a car. That is a car.
What is that? What is that?
That is a bus. That is a bus.
What is that? අරක මොකද්ද? That is a car. That is a car. එක කාර් එකක්. Vroom vroom. What is that? What is that? අරක මොකද්ද? That is a bus. That is a bus. අරක බස් එකක්. හරි නේද පුතේ? This that දෙක දාලා පුතාලත් දාන්න බලන්න ටීචර් වීඩියෝ එකක්. Then love you so much. Thank you my little pipet.